Ayun, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga andito again. Thank you so much of your time. And guys, before again, I introduce this special coach na magsasalita tonight. Okay lang po ba meron po akong favor? Konting favor lang po sa inyo. Okay lang po ba 'yon? Ayun, first and foremost, no, first favor, kung meron po kayong mga ballpen diyan, okay, notebook, pakinggan niyo pong mabuti, okay, yung ating training today. Kasi po, itong training na to, kahit recorded siya, iba pa rin kung first-hand information. And aside from that, kapag sinusulat, alam niyo po ba kapag yung learning sinusulat, agad nating nare-recall, right? Number two, kung okay lang po ba, if you're not busy right now, or I know yung iba dito may work, yung iba dito merong naghuhugas ng pinggan, okay, I salute sa lahat ng mga OFWs na kahit merong ginagawa, pero yung commitment level andito pa rin. Guys, kung wala kang ginagawa, pwede po na ilayo po yung mga distractions. Make sure po na meron ka pong good internet connection para hindi ka po ma-exit dito sa Zoom. Okay? And kasi kapag andito ka ulit, mahihirapan kang pumasok kasi ilalak na po namin yung Zoom. Okay? And number 3, kung okay lang po, wag muna nating i-unmute agad yung ating microphone para hindi ma-distract yung ating coach. I know, meron tayong time later, but ito lang po yung favor ko sa inyo. Okay ba tayo doon? Sounds good? Sounds good. Okay, guys, ito na. I know dito excited na to learn. Okay, kahit ako po ilang beses na po akong naka-attend ng mga trainings. Every trainings is a special day kasi po yung training, yung learning is equals to earning, equals to income. And right now, I'm so privileged enough to introduce this person. Kasi 10 years na po yung kanyang experience about digital business. And itong tao na to, marami na po siyang natulungan, marami na pong nabago na buhay dahil po sa kanyang mentorship. He is a proud mountain resort owner, a licensed financial consultant, and he started Forex trading since 2017. And sobrang bilib ako sa taong to kasi nakita ko talaga yung kanyang journey the moment he started this business. And he is a visionary leader, a digital entrepreneur, a mentor with a heart to serve. Walang iba, yung ating founder ng ating community. Let's all welcome. Kung pwede pa virtual clap dyan, no? Pwede tayong mag-virtual clap or mag-type ng heart, mag-type ng mga magagandang emoji, no? Let's all welcome. Walang iba yung ating coach, mentor, coach, Nars Paraguya.
Woo, wow, thank you so much, Coach Marge, for that wonderful introduction. Thank you so much. Can you hear me, guys? Can you drop number 5 if you hear me? If you hear me loud and clear. By the way, I would like to thank Coach Marge and also Coach MJ for hosting us tonight. I'm so privileged and so happy to be introduced by them, and nakita ko yung video ni Coach Marge gahapon na paldo-paldo sa trading. Yan. Gamit yung live session strategy natin. Congratulations, Coach Marge, and of course Coach MJ. Nakita ko yung ano niya, yung parang video niya, or parang yung sinulat niya yung goal niya na na-achieve niya because of this business. All right. Welcome everyone. Welcome po sa lahat. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Kung saan naman kayo. Nakita ko si Sir Glenn naka-drive pa. Ingat po, kabayan. Sa makasama natin dyan, kabayan, we love you. Tonight, we will be teaching you how to trade for free. Kaya lang, ang concern ko kasi, pag libre lang, parang hindi ninyo vina-value, okay, yung free. But, okay lang ba? If I'm going to start you a very good question, okay. If mayroon kayong kaibigan na bilyonaryo, sasabihin niya sa iyo, sis, bro, mayroon akong isang bagay na hingin sa iyo. Ito isang bagay, gusto kong aralin mo. Aralin mo talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos, pag matapos ito, maaral mo na, alam mo na kung paano ito gawin, maaral mo na, bibigyan kita ng 40 USD, 40,000 rather USD, or worth 2 million pesos. Okay? 40,000 USD or worth 40 million pesos, 2 million pesos. Aralin mo lang itong bagay na ito within 1 month. Now, ang question ko sa iyo, aaralin mo ba? Oo o hindi? Just for fun, just for fun. No seriousness, no seriousness. Just light and just for the sake of interaction. Aralin mo o hindi? Ay, yung mga hindi nag-reply, okay lang yun. Pag hindi mo baka hindi na nila kailangan yung 2 million pesos. Tamang-tama din, ibigay na natin sa iba. Bigyan natin sila ng chance. Yes. Aralin, di ba? Aralin. So, yes, thank you. Ganon din po itong tinatawag natin na Forex. Sasabihin niya, hindi siya madali. Kailangan mo siyang aralin, kailangan ng time. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Pero kung makukuha mo talaga, bibigyan kita ng 40,000 USD or 2 million pesos. Sir, aabot ba ng 1 month sa pag-aaral? Huwag mo na yung seryoso. We're just having fun here. We'll just have an opening questions for the sake of interacting. So, for the sake of interaction, aaralin mo ba? Tama o hindi? Sige nga, paki-type ulit. Wait, kuha mo na ako ng water. 1 second. All right, thank you. Okay. Iba-iba. Siyempre, aralin, di ba? Kasi chance na natin yun na makuha natin yung ganyang klaseng income. So, it's a privilege na dapat aralin natin siya. Di sayang din yung pagkakataon, di ba? Ganyan. So, ganun din yung parang Forex na kailangan mo siyang aralin. By the way, guys, just to level up everything here, yung ano yung ginagawa natin, we will talking about Forex trading. And then, yes po, aralin at seryoso ko pong empleyado nga po inaaral kahit minimum. Thank you. I like this kind of mindset. Kasi po, yun po yung gagawin natin ngayon, aralin. Hindi po siya fun. Ang pag-aaral po ng Forex trading, hindi siya entertaining. I will tell you. But it's rewarding. Mamili ka, entertainment or rewarding. Tapos na tayo sa mga entertainment. Tapos na tayo sa panood ng mga telenovela, drama. Pero wala siyang, hindi siya nakatulong financially, which is most of us nag-aaral din, nag-struggle financially. So this one, tingnan mo lang, baka ito na yung ano. Itong klaseng mga training na ito is binabayaran ito. Normally, nasa mga 10,000 pesos for this kind of training alone. But for tonight, since naging part kayo sa community ko, VIP community or Kabayan Traders Community or Pinoy Traders Community, I will give value for this one just for free for tonight. But aaralin ito, this is not for me. This is for you. Kasi baka ito yung dahilan para mabago yung takbo ng financial journey mo. Okay. Ako when I started this time, gusto ko lang mabayaran yung utang ko. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang makabangon sa, galing kasi ako sa, before bumalik ako sa Forex trading, dati na I started Forex trading since 2017. Bumalik ako last year kasi yung business ko nagkaroon ng bankruptcy and then nagkaroon ako ng malaking utang. So kaya inaral ko ulit yung Forex trading. Dati kasi walang cheat codes, ngayon meron na. Dati walang masyadong community, ngayon meron na. Kaya naging dedicated ako sa pag-build ng community kasi naniniwala ako na itong Forex trading is madali lang ito sa mga Pilipino. Alam ko, very kasi smart. Naniniwala ba kayo na ang Pilipino ay matatalino? Kulang lang sa opportunity? Yes or no? Yes or yes? Okay. kulang lang sa opportunity. Yes. Pero ngayon, ito na. Ito na yung opportunity na pwedeng mabuka. O kahit makabayad lang tayo sa utang, extra lang. Guys, ito. Welcome sa 2-day challenge for beginners and congratulations. Welcome to the team. Lahat, welcome. I'm so privileged and honored na maging part ako ng trading journey niyo and some of mga coaches which I acknowledge tonight sa lahat ng mga coaches na nandito. Coach Jim, Coach MJ, Coach David, Coach Jed, Coach Marge, and other coaches also. Let me know guys if you are there. Dami kasi yung audience natin tonight. We are almost 160. 160 in participants. Okay. So, victory is reserved for those who are willing to pay its price. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Sige nga, just for the sake of interaction, ano ba yung ibig sabihin? In your own language, you can type 2 words, 3 words. Victory is reserved for those who are willing to pay its price. Alam niyo ba na sa buong mundo, only 1% of the population, 1% of the population in the whole world ang kumikita ng 40 USD per month or 2 million pesos per month. Ano po yung ibig sabihin yan? Hindi po lahat nagpipay the price. Nandun ba yung information? Yes. In the world, there existing an information. Pero hindi lahat. Kasi hindi lahat. That's why I would like to congratulate you. Congratulate yourself. Sabi dito, no pain, no gain, taking risk, trading. Sa mga OFW dyan, makasama kahit hindi OFW, sa lahat nandito, congratulations. Can you give yourself a virtual clap? Or itapik nyo ng sarili nyo, sabihin nyo, congratulations for coming here. Because this is part of paying the price. Lahat ng journey nagsisimula sa number 1. So this is your number 1. Now, are you ready to start? Are you ready to start? Ready to start, no? Let me know if you're ready to start. Let's go, let's go. Ready na ba yung mga water ninyo? Ready to start. All right. Welcome to 2-day challenge. By the way, konting background lang, baka kasi yung may mga bago. I am Nars Paraguya. I'm 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. Nag-graduate ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years ako as a digital business. And then I'm a mountain resort owner. So I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a licensed financial consultant and I started Forex trading since 2017. I founded a community, Bisaya Trading Community, and kaway-kaway yung mga Bisaya dyan, and then the Kabayan Traders Community, which nakita ko at na-appreciate ko talaga yung willingness to learn ng mga Pilipino na nandito sa Pilipinas. I'm sorry guys, this is just my personal observation. At yung mga FW, nakita ko na busy yung mga FW pero mas determined sila. Alam niyo naman, nakita niyo naman kanina in-interview ko, dalawa yon, si naging part na sa community natin si Coach Jim at saka si Coach Jed. Si Coach Jed kumita ng 200,500 in 1 week in Forex trading. So that's around almost 150 pesos. 150,000 pesos in the Philippine currency. And then si Coach Jim naman lahat-lahat almost 1 million na yung kinita. Sa Forex business. So nakita ko talaga na kung nakayanan nila, baka kayanan mo rin. Alright? So the reason why while I'm doing this one, because I want to have a quality life. Coach, bakit hindi ka nag-abroad? Okay? Coach, na-abroad din naman ako, pero for vacation purposes lang or travel. Because I really wanted to have a quality life with my family. This is my goal. So that's why I'm doing this one. I'm a father of 3. This is my family and this is our favorite outdoor and camping. And lumalabas kami frequently. Almost every day kami kumakain sa labas. So, ng mga anak ko. And then, ginagawa ko to because I want to have a quality life with them. Ang definition ko sa quality life is, mayroon akong quality time and then mayroon din akong budget. Quality budget. Okay. Sino gusto magkaroon ng quality life or quality time sa family nila. Okay? Can you type QL, quality life, or wag LQ? So, nung bumalik ako sa pagpo-forex, galing ako sa isang masakit na bankruptcy. I was a CEO with a company with more than 50 employees. Pinauwi ko lahat yan. So, 2 years ago, na-close yung company ko and I'm looking for something na pwedeng makabangon sa financial difficulties, sa paghihirap at saka makabayad din sa utang. Kaya wala ako nakitang opportunity. After 2 years of re-evaluate, searching, wala akong nakitang opportunity na pwedeng ibalik ka agad. Mabilis yung, kumbaga, financial hack ang pag-business, kundi dito lang sa Forex. So I started Forex again last year, August. Bumalik ako. September, October, November, December. After 4 months, tiningnan namin yung ipon namin, 100% katas ng Forex trading. This is to inspire, not to brag, and to glorify God rin for this blessing. Binayaan kami ng isang brand new Mitsubishi Montero Sport. At I'm proud to say, 100% katas ng Forex business. Okay, bakit Forex business? Kasi business naman talaga si Forex. And that's the way how I see it. It's not, it's for me, it's business. So for tonight, pag-usapan natin, anong ginawa ko, how to earn dollars in Forex trading. Para doon sa mga ready na kumita ng dollars sa Forex trading, can you type dollars? Dollars. Okay. So sabi ni Dan Luke, if you're not making money online in this era, you're missing the biggest shift in wealth creation history. Isa sa pinakamalaking opportunity na pwede kang kumita ng pera, malaking pera, is in the online industry. Kaya we're in yung Forex trading na bilong online lang. Gamit ang cellphone, okay, at gamit ang internet, pwede ka nang mag-trade. Kahit hindi ka magtatrabaho, pwede ka nang kumita ng malaki. If you're asking me, Coach, are you working? No. I'm not employed. Okay, I'm building my business in a Forex business empire. Okay, so yan yung sabi ni Dan Luke. Sabi naman ng isang Forex mentor is that we are living in the easiest time in history to build wealth. Alam niyo ho ba na ngayon, isa sa pinakamadaling paraan para kumita ng pera. Hindi lang kumita, para maging mayaman. Madali na lang talaga maging mayaman ngayon compared to before. So going back my story, I came from a bankruptcy. I earned big. I already earned 7 digits before every month. Well, in Philippine peso. To parang nawala sa akin lahat. Binita ko yung dalawang sasakyan ko. Isang Ford pickup at isang FG Cruiser, and pinakalas na binita ko yung bahay. I keep looking for business. And nagbibuild din ako ng mga businesses at that time, kaya mas madali na ubos yung pera ko. Yung mga backup savings ko at saka yung mga galing sa sasakyan na mga assets na iniwanan ko. Because I keep to try building business again. So I tried to build business. Traditionally, nagbayan sila ko ng mga kotse, nag-build ako ng agency. Hindi po madali mag-build ng business kung wala kang tamang kaalaman at wala kang tamang kapital. So during that time, na konti-konti na lang talaga, maliit na lang talagang natitira, almost hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Wala akong choice. Nandito na ako, wala na akong space, wala na akong margin of error. Naisipan ko, ito na yung last defense ko. I need to go back to Forex again kasi alam ko may pera sa Forex. And true enough, God bless me. Alam niyo ba yung kita ko dati sa business ko? with having a big business, having a big office, having a lot of employees, more than 50 plus employees. Ngayon, nasa bahay lang ako, isa lang yung empleyado ko, technically dalawa, yung isa part-time. Pero, yung kita ko before and yung kita ko ngayon, nalampasan na yung kita ko, yung net income ko before sa business ko, having 50 plus employees. With today, na dalawa lang yung employee ko, building in a forex business na ginagawa ko. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? We are living in the easiest time in the history to build wealth. You just need your phone, you just need your internet, and you just need the right mindset. Actually, ang pinaka-importante mong asset dito, guys, hindi itong ituturo ko sa iyo tonight. Ang pinaka-importanting asset mo, if you want to be successful, not just in forex, in anything, is yung tamang mindset mo. Yung tamang mindset mo. Positive ka ba? Eager ka ba? Gusto mo bang gawin? Kasi kung mali yung mindset, pwede kang madali ka lang mag-give up. Hindi ka maging persistent. Sino dito sa inyo naniniwala na ang success talaga, kailangan siyang ituloy-tuloy at kailangan siyang may dedication? Yes or yes? Can you type yes or me? If you believe na ang success kailangan ng dedication. So, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is only 20% of success. Importante pa rin kasi 20%. Itong how to earn money, to earn dollars in forex trading. Alright? Disclaimer lang po, forex trading involves a significant risk and that's suitable for everyone. So, high risk, high reward business model. Past performances may not guarantee. Kahit kopyahin mo, copy-paste yung strategy, yung ginagawa namin, yung cheat codes na ginagawa namin, iba-iba tayong resulta. Bakit? Iba-iba yung mindset meron tayo. Iba-iba yung mindset. Kaya, if you're going to be mentored by me, yung mga coaches, yung mga coaches na naging partner sa community, ang una kong tinuturo talaga is yung right mindset. Because the right mindset is your hack to success. Okay, can you type? My mindset is my hack to success. My mindset, kasi kung ready ka na talaga, ma-attract mo yung tamang opportunities. Pero kung hindi mo siya ma-attract. So, kailangan natin dito tamang mindset. But definitely, meron tayong time for that. But for now, we'll focus on the technical side in forex trading. So tonight's overview for today's session is introduction of forex trading, 10 minutes. Forex terminologies, 30 minutes. Understanding currency pairs, 20 minutes. Types of trading, 20 minutes. And apps and platform, 10 minutes plus assignment. So all in all, it's like almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. Wait, 30, yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes. All right. So with that, let's start. So welcome to today's challenge. For tonight, we will be having a theory. Importante po, maintindihan po ano yung ecosystem ng forex trading. What is forex trading? When forex trading? Who forex trading? And why forex trading? Yun yung intindihin natin for tonight. And then tomorrow, it's still free. Tomorrow is trade execution. So, tuturuan namin kayo gamit itong cellphone, how you will make your cellphone a money-making machine. How you will make your cellphone a forex, a dollar-making machine using forex trading and strategies na ginagawa natin. Is it fair? Fair. Okay ba? Deal? So okay ba kayo sa matutunan nyo? And the best part, it's free. It's free. So step by step ituturo namin yun. Ibig sabihin, bukas po, execution. Actual. So para makasabay kayo ng execution, meron akong assignment na ibibigay sa inyo later on. Alright? Let's start. What is forex trading? It's so easy. Forex trading is foreign exchange. It's a global marketplace where people buying and selling currencies. Okay. This is the biggest business in the world because as we speak, there are 7.5 trillions of dollars are being traded every day. Okay. I want you to see this number. I want you to see this number. 7 trillion. Every day yan. Every day. Not every week, not every month. Every day. Hindi natin yan kukunin lahat. Pero ang gagawin natin, kukurot lang tayo. So welcome into the biggest business in the world. The biggest business in the world. Well, for some, they think that Forex is a scam, but for millionaires, Forex is the biggest business because trading is the language of the rich. Ito po yung ginagawa. Walang bilyonaryo na hindi nagtitrade. Walang bilyonaryo na hindi nagtitrade. Lahat ng bilyonaryo involved yan in trading. So kahit sa atin, kahit hindi bilyonaryo, kahit milyonaryo lang, okay na ako. So kaya lang, ang gagawin natin guys, hindi natin ito kukunin. Anong ibig sabihin? Ang 7 trillion na to guys is nag-circulate. Nag-circulate siya. Umiikot siya. Umiikot siya in the financial market. Tinatawag natin financial market. Ang gagawin natin guys, kukurot lang tayo. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kukurot. Tama ba yun? Sa Bisaya, manguhit lang ta. O, tama ba yun? Ano ba yung Tagalog ng kukurot? Kukuha lang tayo ng konti guys. Kukuha lang tayo ng konti. So, ano ba yung goal mo? Okay, ito. Magkano yung gusto mo? Pakisulat nga sa chat box. Okay. Kasi, Kusnit, Bisaya, yan. Ma'am Luz Bimin or Sir Luz Bimin. Dudukot, dadakot. Dadakot? Tama ba yung dadakot? Okay. Ito na lang. Magkano ba yung gusto mong kurutin? Or masyado ba yung gusto mong ipipinch doon sa marketplace? Pipitas, yan. I like the term. Pipitas. Magkano ba yung gusto mong pitasin? Every month. Or let's just say every day. Sabi ni Ramso. Kahit 100 USD lang. Yun. Yun, I like that. I like that. Tuturuan lang namin kayo. Yes, tama yan. I like this one. 100K per month lang. So kung ito yung gusto mong makuha, ito yung gustong makuha, is it realistic? Yes. O sino dito lahat siguro nasa GC na? Let me know kung hindi pa nasa GC because sa GC kasi magbibigay tayo ng mga inspirations, magbibigay tayo ng libre trainings like this one. Yung kukurot lang tayo guys, nakita yung sa group chat natin almost every day. Nagbibigay kami ng mga results doon, is real results galing sa pagtitrade namin ng real accounts namin. Kikita nyo, very easy yung 100 USD per day, very easy yung 200 USD per day. If I can guarantee you to get this money, very easy lang. Okay, iba-iba yung gusto niyo kasi iba-iba yung financial wallet ninyo. Iba-iba yung mindset niyo about wallet. Pero most of you agreed at least 100 USD, 200 USD per day lang, which is very basic. Kaya mo ba ito makuha? Yes, I will tell you 100%. Bakit ka ito nasabi? Marami na nakakuha. Lahat ba makakuha? No. Bakit ka ito nasabi? Hindi lahat nag-aral at hindi lahat sinagaan. But as long as you keep in track, lalo na kung mag-enroll ka talaga sa VIP community natin, to access our cheat codes, to simplify everything, mataas yung chance mo na maging profitable ka sa Forex trading. Ulitin ko, success is not for everyone. Parang lang ho ito sa mga taong willing talaga to make a commitment for success. Alright? So how many Forex traders are there in the world? There are approximately 10 million Forex traders in the world today. 10 million Forex trading. Ang dami pala. Nakakatuwa. Okay? So where Forex is more popular, the 3.5 billion in Asia, Europe, North America, nakakatuwa kasi kung pupunta, Asia, this one including Middle East. Okay, including most especially Middle East. Nakakatuwa kasi sa atin, ang Forex trading, pag sinasabi mong Forex trading, kasama yan scam. Pero sa Dubai, pag sinasabi mong Forex trader ka, or crypto ka or something, wait, pa-plug in ko lang yung wire. Bilyonaryo ka or milyonaryo ka pag sinasabing nasa Forex trading ka. Iba-ibang same situation, iba-iba yung mindset. So this is not new actually. Marami nang nagtitrade. Okay. So naging popular lang ito because of the internet. And guys, mind you, not to scare you and not to give you a fear, but may mga dito sa Pilipinas ngayon is already implemented na dapat magbalik na tayo mag-face mask. Have you heard that? Na dapat bumalik na tayo sa face mask. Guys, the good thing about this one is this Forex trading, it's internet-based. This is your best plan B. Na kahit anong mangyari, this is pandemic proof. As long as may cellphone ka, may internet ka, at pwede ka maka-withdraw sa ATM kasi essentials, you can make money. Hindi ka matatakot. Ako hindi ako matatakot. Yung babalik yung pandemic, hindi ako matatakot. Kasi yung how I get money is in the internet lang and using cellphone or laptop. So this is your best plan B if ever. Hindi na tayo magdasal na mangyari yan. But we'll never know kasi wala naman nag-expect that pandemic hits to everyone. Okay, so terminologies. Market participants in Forex ecosystem. Sinong-sino ba yung nandyan sa Forex? Number one is retail traders. Sino yan? Tayo yan. Tayo yung mga retail traders nagtitrade ng maliliit na in amounts and capitals na gumagamit ng digital platform which is widely used MT5 or MT4. Okay? So pag hindi MT5, hindi sila gumagamit ng MT5 at hindi sila gumagamit ng MT4, red flag yan. Something fishy. Kasi 80% gumagamit MetaTrader talaga. So retail traders tayo. Next is Forex brokers. Hindi tayo makapag-trade kung walang Forex broker. Okay. Forex broker, kailangan mo siyang i-research kung sila ba ay regulated. Okay. So saan sila regulated? Sa mga ibang bansa na mayroon silang regulatory system. Sa Pilipinas, wala tayong regulatory about Forex trading. So hindi siya matatawag na legal, hindi rin matatawag na illegal kasi wala pa tayong batas about Forex trading at wala pa tayong mga brokers. So most of the brokers is galing sa labas. So tayo, we use VT Markets because VT Markets is multi-awarded in Europe. Pwede sa Canada, pwede sa Asia. And more than 10 years na sa industry and very smooth yung withdrawals nila. Walang sabit. And tayo naman, mayroon tayong manager. Ibig sabihin, kung mayroon tayong problema, pwede magkaroon ng issue which is very minimal, mga konting technical issues, mayroon tayong malalapitan na manager sa VT Markets. Yan yung i-recommend ko. Outside VT Markets, kung mayroon kayong issues, hindi ako makakasagot kasi hindi ko nire-recommend outside VT Markets. And by the way, I already tried a lot of brokers before. So, syempre, yes, I admit, and just to be transparent, mayroon akong konting rebate sa kanila because I am an affiliate or introducing broker. But nonetheless, ang purpose ko talaga, bakit sa VT Markets? Because ang ecosystem, ang platform nila, ang website nila is very newbie friendly. Yun yung pinakagustuhan ko talaga. Number 2 is yung withdrawals instant within a day. 15 minutes, nandyan na. Pinakamataas na yung 2 hours, nandyan na. And then, most importantly, yung customer service nila. Okay. So, institutional traders. Sino itong institutional traders? Ito yung mga big players na trader na sila yung nagtitrade ng malalaking volume of pera in behalf of the billionaires. Okay. So yung billionaires, hindi sila nagtitrade. Meron silang institutional traders. Company, agency, or employee na nagtitrade para sa kanila. We are talking billions of volumes here being traded every day. Alam nyo ba kung magkano lang ang gusto nilang equity gain? Ibig sabihin yung tubo na kukunin nila sa forex trading in 1 month? Sino dito? Alam nyo ba kung magkano sa mga institutional traders, yung mga professional traders na talaga, ilang percentage lang ang kukunin lang tubo or gain sa capital nila in 1 month? Sino makasagot? Sige nga. Mga banks, thank you banks. Institutional traders, mga banks, they are part of institutional traders. Wala makakasagot? Ilang percent? Walang makakasagot? Okay. Yes, thank you. Actually, only 1 to 3%, pinakamataas na yung 3% na kukunin nila. Ibig sabihin, the lower percentage you get, the lower risk rather you get. Okay? Sa atin, wow, 10 times 10 in 1 day. That's 1,000% in 1 day. Okay? So, yun lang. So, ideally, kung nag-start ka pa lang, wag mong kunin malaking income. Kunin mo yung matuto ka sa forex trading, yung experience mo. Okay? So, nonetheless, maraming salamat sa nag-answer. Next are the liquidity providers. Sino ito? Remember, in every trade, there's always an opposite. Kasi when you buy, mayroong nagsisell mo yung nag-buy. There's always mayroong kang ka-trade. Okay? Di ba kung bibili ka ng anything, mayroong nagbibinta. Okay, sige, bili ako ng pagkain, mayroong nagbibinta. That's the other side. Sila naman liquidity providers, or in short, sila yung mga financier, sila yung mga bankero, ng mga transactions na mayayari. Most of these are brokers. Okay. Brokers also functions as liquidity providers. Big brokers, they are liquidity providers. Small brokers, they have a third party or a mother company na liquidity providing for them. Bakit kailangan ng liquidity provider? Kailangan siya ng pera on hand. Kasi forex trader is the most liquid. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo siyang i-withdraw, meron. Gusto mo siyang ikunin yung pera mo doon, profit mo or yung capital mo gusto mong bawiin, anytime, mawi-withdraw mo. So that's legit forex trading. Red flag kung hindi mo siya makuha kaagad, lalo na kung hihingan ka ng additional pera para ma-withdraw mo yung kunwari profit mo sa kanila. That's red flag. Hindi po yan legit. Kasi ang legit na forex trading, may mga liquidity providers yan. Kahit may 10 million ka, gusto mong withdrawin today, pwedeng ma-withdraw kasi dapat meron silang tinatawag na budget cap. Meron silang malaking pera na ka-aside, liquid yan anytime. Kung pag-pull out ka ng pera, ibibigay sa'yo, ita-transfer sa'yo. No question asked kasi pera mo yan. Copy? Copy. So what are the 4 types of trading? Ito naman is speak to yourself. Ikaw ito. So, scalper, day trade, swing trade, and position trade. Scalper guys, like me, or most of us in a community, I only trade 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Pinakamataas, 30 minutes in 1 day. That's a scalper. Yun lang. Enough na yun para kumita ka. Enough na yun. Wow! Yun lang, yes! Pero of course, bago mo makukuha yan, aralin mo. Let's say, seryosoin mo for 2 weeks to 1 month. Okay, 2 weeks to 1 month. Day trade naman or intra-trade within the day. Halimbawa, magti-trade ka morning, i-exit mo in the evening. Okay, within the day. Minsan, alanganin, exit mo bukas. So that's more on day trade. Disadvantage, kailangan mo siyang nakatutok ka sa chart mo frequently kasi tinatinan mo yung pera mo is lumalago na ba o nag-negative ba. Swing trade naman, this is like a short position trader. Tinitingnan mo kapag bumabaliktad yung market, bumaliktad yung trend, dun ka mag-position. So dito, ang trade mo dito is more like days or week. Si position trader naman, ang trade mo dito is more like weeks or months. So medyo matagal. Okay. Now, tatanungin ko kayo, kung kayo ang papipiliin, ano yung gusto mo? Do you want a scalper, day trade, swing trade, or position trader? Sige nga, sinong gusto maging scalper, day trade? Please type. Advantage ng scalper because if you're impatient like me, scalp ka lang. Okay. Kaya swing trade, this is also good. Kaya tinuturo natin, mayroon tayong dalawang scalping strategy. Dalawang scalping strategy sa VIP community natin, yung mga nag-enrolled sa community natin. Alright? So, ano-ano yung mga tinitrade pala? Di ba sinasabi mo, bro, coach, sinasabi mo, trade. So, ibig sabihin, may product. Yes, may product. Ano-ano yung mga product na tinitrade natin? Okay. In the trading ecosystem, mayroon tayong tinatawag na shares ng mga companies, like share ng Tesla, share ng Jollibee, ganyan, mga companies yan. Share ng BDO, okay, for international market, very common, share ni Apple, share ni Tesla, ganyan. Okay, share ni Walmart, ganyan. And then, Forex. Ang Forex is pera, palitan ng pera. So, you buy, mamaya explain natin. Commodities naman, oil, sugar, silver, gold, commodities. Okay. Bonds naman, or US Treasury, indexes, like US 30, is part ka indexes, interest rates, and ETF. Hindi natin i-explain lahat kasi sa Forex pa lang, baka maguguluhan na. I understand na hindi kasi tayo familiar. But just to give you some interactions here, isa sa tinitrade natin sa community is tinatawag natin na gold or XAUUSD. Now, question, saan na belong si gold or XAUUSD? Forex, shares, indexes or indices, or commodities? Wow, ang tatalino. Wow, ang tatalino. Okay. Commodities. Na belong siya sa commodities is specifically metal. So congratulations, tama po. But it's very close to Forex. Kaya ang ginagawa natin, parang currency lang. Kasi may pair naman din siya na USD. Okay, explain natin yan. For tonight, let's focus more on Forex trading. Guys, dinadahan-dahan ko lang kasi para hindi talaga kayo malito. By the way, sino dito na hindi pa talaga nagtitrade? Can you type number 1? Wala pang experience talaga. And yung nagtitrade na kayo, type number 2. Kasi pag marami nang nagtitrade, bilisan natin para we can go on medyo advanced. Okay. Number 1, number 1, number 1, number 2, number 1, number 1. So, mas maraming number 1. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin siya dahan-dahanin. So, trade means, in Tagalog means, palitan. Okay? Palitan. Yun lang ibig sabihin ng trade. Palitan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-trade ka ng Forex, bakit siya may pair? Bakit siya may pair? Ang tawag natin dyan, currency pair. Bakit may currency pair? Kasi, bibili ka ng pera, ang ibibili mo, pera din. Okay, para hindi kayo malito. Okay, ganito. Bibili ka ng euro, ang pambili mo is USD. Okay, kaya ang pair na tawag dyan is Euro-USD. Bibili ka ng USD, ang pangbili mo, Euro. Kuha. Ibig sabihin, ang OFW kayo, which is mostly dito OFW, and I salute you for being the new heroes of our nation, kasi nagdadala kayo ng pera sa Pilipinas. Ako rin naman nagdadala kasi galing sa financial market yung pera ko. Dadalhin dito. Anyway, uuwi ka dito. If you're from Canada, ang pera mo is Canadian dollar. Mayroon dito kanina from Russia. Ano nga yung sa Russia? Let's just say Canada, Canadian dollar. Pag uwi mo dito, mayroon kang baon na Canadian dollar, right? Gagamitin mo ba yung dollar mo pangbili ng grocery Sa SM? Yes or no? Rubles. Tama ba pronunciation ko, rubles? Thank you. Gagamitin mo ba yung dollar mo? Pera naman yun. Bakit hindi pwede? Pera naman yun. Bakit hindi pwede? Pambili sa SM. Kasi ang currency na ginagamit natin, peso. Okay? So ang gagawin mo, ano gagawin mo? Pupunta ka sa bangko. Nagpo-forex yung bangko. Pinaka-player talaga ng forex are banks. Foreign exchange. Or pupunta ka sa mga black market. Yan, alam na alam ko yan dati. Black market. Punta ka doon sa, sa tabi ng post office. Mayroong mga black market doon. Okay. Papalitan mo yung dollar into peso. Tama? So, ang tawag dyan is forex. Currency exchange. Foreign exchange. Same lang sa ginagawa natin. Kaya lang atin is digital perspective. Okay? Copy? So, para yung gold. Kaya ang tinatawag na XAU means gold is yung pair niya USD. Kasi bibili ka ng gold, gamit mo yung dollar. Bibili ka ng dollar, gamit mo yung gold. Or and vice versa. Yun ang tinatawag na XAU USD. Okay, now, sa dalawang pair na yan, so alam na natin. So between Canadian, let's stick with our example, Canadian dollar or CAD. Pupunta ka sa Pilis, papalitan mo. So anong dalawang currency involved? Anong dalawang currency involved sa example natin? Okay. Sige nga. Sige nga. Is it okay? Yes, I appreciate if you will be more interactive. Kasi kung gusto mo talagang matuto, the more you get interactive, the more kang matututo kasi na-involve mo. Okay. Balik tayo sa example. Wag mo na ito, wag mo na ito, wag mo na ito. Sa example kanina, umuwi ka sa Pilipinas, meron kang bitbit na Canadian dollar. Papalitan mo siya ng peso. So, anong currency involved? Very good, Kevin. Dalawang involved yan, CAD PHP or PHP CAD. So, dalawang dollar na involved. Ang tawag dyan sa trading na yan, ang pair na ginamit mo dyan is CAD PHP. Copy? Copy. Now you're learning. Now you're learning. So, in the same way, sa pagpo-forex, mayroon tayong tinatawag na currency pairs. Currency pairs. Okay? So, si currency pairs, ang pinaka-wildy trade is, for this example, we will use Euro USD. Okay. Si first pair, si first currency, ang tawag is base. I think I need to draw na. Here, ang tawag is base. Okay. Base currency. The next part is the quote currency. Bakit ito importante? Kasi dito tayo sa mga analysis importante alam natin. Okay. Example, in-analyze natin yung USD. Ano yung correlation niya or ano yung effect niya sa pair na ito? So, tawag dito is base at tawag dito is quote. Simple as that. Ibig sabihin, bibili tayo ng dollar gamit ang euro. Tama ba? Ano ba yung ito? Ito pala. Ito pala yung ano ng euro. Yan. Hindi pala ito. Okay, euro. Bibili tayo ng dollar. Ito, gamit natin euro. Copy. Kasi sinasabi mo, bibili ko ng dollar. So, anong pambili mo? Diba? So, kaya trade. Bibili ka ng euro. Bibili ako ng euro. Anong pambili ko? Gamit ko USD. Copy? Yun lang. Walang complications. As simple as that. Okay? Para mas daling maintindihan. Okay? Hindi na natin basahin itong mga English. Explain na kaagad. Okay. Ito naman, key points is usually, mamaya na to para hindi kayo maguluhan. Dito ka explain. Okay. So if this is euro and this is USD, ito na, dahan-dahan tayo pumasok sa trade na na interface. So this is base and this is quote. Ibig sabihin, kung magti-trade ka ng euro USD, dito ka, usually dito sa base, dito ka magsisell. Dito naman sa quote, dito ka magbabuy. Copy? Copy. So, base, euro, quote, USD. Dito ka magbabay, dito ka magsisell. Copy. Okay. So, mayroong difference sa presyo ng buy and sell. Okay. Makikita mo, iba yung presyo sa sell, iba yun yung presyo sa buy. Ang tawag dyan is spread. Dito kumikita yung mga brokers. Siyempre kasi business ito. Anong ibig sabihin ng example? Okay. Bibili ka ngayon ng, pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas, bibili ka ngayon ng bagong cellphone. Dito sa Pilipinas napalitan mo na yung pera mo. Ang cellphone mo, bibilihin mo, let's say for example, bumili ka ng cellphone, 20,000. Pero, yung 20,000 na yon, yung supplier na nagbenta ng cellphone, ang kuha niya is only 17,000 or 18,000. So, siyempre, yung spread, yun yung business ng mga nagtitinda ng cellphone. Tama? Copy? Kailangan sila ng sa Bisaya na ginansya. Kailangan nila ng profit kasi business sila. Sila kasi yung liquidity, sila kasi yung provider. Sila yung financier. Copy? Is it fair? Another example. I was in the buy and sell business ng car. Okay. Let's say gusto mong bibili ng Toyota Fortuner na second hand. Okay. So, bibili kayo Toyota Fortuner na second hand. Let's say, for example, yung price niya is 800,000 pesos. 800,000. Okay, pesos. Pero, kung ako yung broker, I'm the middleman, syempre, ang kuha ko niyan is at least nasa mga 750. So, mayroon siyang difference na 50 as a middleman. Ito yung money ko. Ito yung parang profit ko. So, in the world of trading, copy learning, mayroong spread. Ang spread dito is yun yung at least hindi lang ito profit talaga. Kung cost operation ng mga brokers, kasi sila yung nagpa-finance sa atin para makapag-withdraw tayo. And then sila yung nag-build up ng system para makapag-trade tayo. Hindi siya matawag na tubo kasi hindi pa naman tumubo yung capital mo. Hindi para spread ang technical term. Okay. But it's depend on how you interpret things. Okay. So that's ano man yung leverage? Now, medyo na tayo, medyo technical na ng konti. Ang leverage naman is ito yung term na ipapahiram sa atin ni broker habang nagtitrade tayo. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, kaya kung mag-create kayo ng account, ano ba yung leverage? Pinaka-common, coach, ano yung leverage ko? 1:1, 1:200, or 1:500, 1:1,000. Okay. It's so easy. Ang leverage is a setup mo yan when you create an account. Yan yung multiplier mo. Okay? It's a financial tool that will allows you to control larger possession from your investment. Ibig sabihin, the bigger your leverage, kahit maliit lang yung kita mo, 100 USD para yung leverage mo 1,000. Kung tama yung trade at saka lot size mo, technically yung 100 mo, pwede yung maging 1,000. Okay. So bakit, paano nangyari yon? Because of your leverage. Kaya lang, remember, it's a double-edged sword. As you offense, kung malaki yung leverage mo, malaki yung kikitain mo, pero in the opposite side, kasi may talo sa forex trading. Yes, you heard it right, may talo sa forex trading. At kung meron mang nagsasabi sa inyo na itong community natin walang talo, 100% tumakbo na kayo sa community na yan. Kasi I started forex trading since 2017. Walang perfect, walang 100% sa forex trading. So ibig sabihin, if they are claiming 100%, most probably they are scam or they are lying to you. They are lying to you. So walang 100%. Saan tayo magkatalo? Ang tawag dyan is win rate. Mamaya, later na pag-usapan. Let's focus on na muna on leverage. So for example, okay. Investment mo 100. And then yung leverage mo is 1:400 and 400:1. Ibig sabihin, lumaki yung buying power mo. Okay. So yung buying power mo, magiging 40,000 maximum. Wow, grabe. 'Di ba? Yun yung the power of your leverage. Another example of the leverage. The power of leverage, eto naman, hindi kayo maguguluhan, isi-set natin to when we create demo account, when we create live account, kung mag-start na tayo. Okay. Yung gustong mag-trade mamaya, magbibigay ako ng assignment, tapos magbibigay kami ng link, mga coaches, bibigyan kami ng link, bibigyan namin kayo ng link at bibigyan namin kayo ng step-by-step tutorials yung wala pang maka-account dito sa VT Market. Sino ba dito may wala pang account sa VT Market? Sige nga, para mabigyan natin ng step-by-step tutorials. Okay? Para assignment natin bukas makasabay na kayo. Can you type? Okay, wala pa. Okay. Okay, mamaya bibigyan ko kayo ng assignment. Okay. So going back to our discussions, ito yung example. So in short, intindihin nyo lang, pag malaki yung leverage mo, malaki yung kikitain mo. Okay. Pero kung malaki yung leverage mo, malaki din yung talo mo if ever matalo ka. So, coach, ano ba yung tamang leverage? Okay. Yung tamang leverage, depende sa aggressiveness mo. Aggressiveness. Pero tayo, since aggressive tayo, kasi maliit lang yung capital natin, hindi pa tayo defensive, gusto natin yung 100,000 maging, o yung 100 USD, maging 500, maging 1,000, pwede naman yun. So, for aggressive, I recommend 500:1 or 1,000:1. For if you're conservative, just make it 100. Ganun lang, at least. So, alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin ng leverage. Okay? Malaking leverage dito, the higher the leverage, mas mataas yung buying power mo, mas mataas yung kikitain mo. Pero yun nga, on the contrary, pag mali naman, mataas din yung talo mo. Copy? Copy? Ano naman yung stop loss at saka take profit? I think na-discuss na natin to sa mga na webinar. Very easy. Si take profit naman is yun yung target mo. Pagdating sa presyo na ito, take profit na ako. So this is the chart, candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks. Represents, yung galaw ng candlesticks represents the price. So for this one, pwede dito yung presyo, pwede dito. Represents the price. Okay, ito si candlestick. Pwede dito yung presyo, pwede dito. So right now, halimbawa dito ka nag-trade ka ng buy dito, umakyat siya, pag hit ng target mo dito, ito yung TP mo, ito yung price mo, ibig sabihin na close na yung trade mo, kumita ka na. Simple as that. Pag nagkamali naman, instead na umakyat, bumaba, mayroon kang stop loss dito sa baba ilalagay. Anong tawag na ito? Anong tawag dito? Depensa mo. At sample nagkamali, para hindi maubos yung pera mo, is stop loss ka lang. Lagay mo lang dito. Para hindi maubos yung pera mo. Yan, lilimit mo lang yung losses mo. Part yan ng risk management, which is ituturo namin sa inyo. Copy? Learning? Can you type learning? Guys, by the way, you can throw questions but within the context lang para hindi maguguluhan yung iba. Ano ibig sabihin ng within the context? Ang topic natin is stop loss. Yung question mo, dito lang, about lang sa stop loss. Okay? So, learning. Copy. Okay. So, dito, I think, discuss na kasi ito sa mga introduction to Forex natin at cheat codes na webinar. So, ano naman yung equity, balance, at leverage? So, dito tayo naguguluhan. Actually, equity, balance, and margin na lang. Okay, margin pala. Equity, balance. So, kung mayroon ka ng account, ito makikita mo. Makikita ka na balance. Ito naman is makita mo dito sa trading account mo. So, here, this is my cell phone. If I open my MT5, ito makikita. Under codes, under trades naman, ito yung makikita, yung pera. Okay. And then, makita mo dyan, ito, makita mo, mayroong Equity, margin, at balance. O, ano naman yung balance? Ito yung pera mo na capital na pinasok mo. Okay, pwede mo itong ma-withdraw. Withdrawable. Ano naman yung equity? Ito yung buying power mo. Let's say, for example, sa atin, sa BT Markets, meron siyang bonus. Okay. Nag-deposit ka ng 100, yung equity mo naman is, yung equity mo is, yung equity mo is, may bonus kasi, so lahat-lahat, ang equity mo is 200. Kasi may bonus. Ibig sabihin, ang tradable mo is 200. Copy? So for this example, bakit maliit si equity compared kay balance? Bakit kaya? Bakit maliit si equity compared to balance? Sinong makakasagot? Okay? Kasi, probably, is that mayroon kang floating trade na negative. So sa equity, kung ano yung floating trade mo, makikita mo, pwede siyang magni-negative. Okay? Ito. Nasa baba yan. Wala kasi akong trade possession ngayon, hindi ko mapakita. So, pag positive naman yung floating trade mo, halimbawa, ito yung 400, tapos nag-positive floating trade ka, nag-positive ka na 10. So, si equity mo, mangyayari dyan, magiging 412 siya. Copy? Copy? Copy. So, yun yung equity. Ito yung si margin naman, lalo na margin level, ito yung, kumbaga, percentage ng buying power mo. So, the higher the margin level, the better. The lower, pag mapupula na ito, delikado ka na. The lower, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-trade. Kaya paglalagay mo, magsabi doon, not enough money. Kasi lalo na pag malalim na yung, yung loss mo at saka negative mo. But don't worry, when you started forex trading, wag ka muna mag-capital, mag-start ka muna sa demo para you can play around with this one. Okay? Copy. Ito naman, mas maintindihan mo kung magte-trade ka na talaga. Kaya bukas, magte-trade na tayo. So, major currency pairs, ito. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY. Most likely, major countries na naka-pair sa USD. So, lahat yan, major pairs. Okay. Most tradable pairs, Euro USD. And then, USD GPY, and so on. In our community, we trade XAU USD, which is very nice, very perfect for scalping kasi magalaw si gold. Magalaw siya. At tapos yung galaw niya based on trend. Ang akyat, bababa, bababa. So perfect na yung yung XAU USD. In fact, our community, kapag nag-enroll ka, mayroon tayong tinatawag na strategy na XAU Sniper. Si XAU Sniper is a strategy designed for trading scalping gold. Bakit kailangan ka ng strategy? The next step after you know how to trade is to develop a strategy. Ano yung winning strategy mo? Paano mo siya ipanalo? Kasi hindi lang siya enough na marunong kang mag-trade. Kasi yung goal mo talaga, hindi lang para marunong mag-trade. Ang goal mo, ano pala yung goal mo? Bakit mo gustong aralin? Ang goal mo. Sige nga, ano yung aralin? Ano yung goal mo? Nandito pa ba kayo? Yes. Ang goal mo is kumita and mag-profit. Listen. You can only profitable if you have a winning strategy. Even if you know forex trading, it doesn't mean that you are profitable. Are you with me? What happened to my camera? Okay. It doesn't mean that you're profitable. So even if you are, okay na. So ang goal mo para maging profitable ka, kailangan mayroon kang winning strategy. Paano mo yan ma-develop? You will develop it by experiment, try doing something. You can develop your own, pero matagal yan. At it will cost you a lot of time and a lot of capital. So what we do in VIP community, mayroon tayong strategy sa scalping, dalawa yan. XAU USD and XAU Sniper and live sessions. Puro scalping yan. Bakit scalping? mabilisan kasi mabilis ka lang kumita. Siyempre lahat gusto mabilis na kumita, okay? So scalping at lahat busy. So siyempre maliit lang yung time ilalagay natin dito para makapag-trade tayo. But of course, kung nag-start pa lang tayo, kailangan siyang aralin. Okay. So bakit kailangan man ng strategy? Para susundan mo lang, kokopyahin mo lang ano yung ginagawa namin, ano yung indicator, ano yung technique namin. Kokopyahin mo lang para mabilis kang maging profitable. Agree? Sino dito gusto maging mabilis na maging profitable? Yung hindi gusto, okay lang. Kasi alam ko naman hindi para sa lahat. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Another thing that we trade is US30 or DG30. DG30 is Dow Jones. Represents 30 America's most publicly traded companies, 30 companies. So, under the category of indices, US30 or DG30. Okay? So, mayroon tayong strategy yan, yung live session mamaya, every 9:30. Sa lahat ng nag-enroll, mayroon tayong access. Sa isa sa pinakamagaling na trader sa buong mundo. Bakit ko sinasabi? Kasi I'm following him. I'm joining him. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Magte-10 months na. Napakataas. Minsan ko lang siyang nakitang natalo. Natatalo din. Normal yan. Pero grabe yung discipline niya. So mayroon kang access sa kanya habang nagtitrade siya. Sasabay ka sa trade niya or matututo ka sa trade niya. Yun yung pinaka-importante dalawa. Trade dyan is, bakit maganda itong US30 sa pag-trade? Ang maganda sa US, perfect siya for scalping kasi napakaliit yung spread. Very, sa ano natin, saan po mapapanood yung live trade? Mapanood yung live trade mo sa Zoom. Kapag ka nag-enroll ka, meron kang access dyan, maibibigay namin sa iyo through our app na Solex. Mayroong link ibibigay dyan every before 9:30, bibigay dyan na link. Pero ito naman is exclusive naman sa lahat ng nag-enroll. Okay, sa lahat na nag-enroll. Good questions. Okay. So, ano yung best time to trade? 9:30, yes, PH time. Pero dapat 9:20, ready ka na. Ready na yung MT5 mo. Unfortunately, for now, hindi ako makakasabay kasi meron akong commitment sa inyo na turuan kayo paano itong forex trading. Kasi most of you nagtatanong, sir, ano yung magandang mag-trade? Guys, may strategies yan. Okay. But, intindihin natin guys na mayroon tinatawag na market opening or in short, office hours ang business. How to enroll, message mo yung person na nagbigay sa iyo ng link or nag-add sa iyo sa GC. Yung mga group, core group ko ng mga coaches, mayroon silang link. Bakit ako hindi pwedeng magbigay ng link? Kasi at least meron silang konti. Okay? Kakaturo sa iyo, kaka-encourage sa iyo, ganyan. At least meron silang konting ano diyan. Konting-konti lang naman. Dapat link nila yung gagamitin mo. So, sino yung nag-add sa iyo sa GC, i-message mo siya, bro, how to enroll my link, may step-by-step guide yan paano. Okay? So, forex trading sessions, importante maintindihan mo kasi ito yung tinatawag na office hours. Yung trabaho mo ba, sino ba dito nagtatrabaho 24 hours a day? Meron. Sino dito nagtatrabaho 8 hours a day? 8 hours a day? Or 12 hours a day? Meron ba? How to enroll? Okay, 10 hours a day. Thank you. Wow, congratulations. 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day. Congratulations. Ganon din sa forex trading. Meron siyang open hours at closing hours. Siyempre, since iba-iba yung currency natin, iba-iba yung opening time or office hours ng trading. Sa Tokyo, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PH time. So lahat yan PH time yung ilalagay natin kasi iba-iba tayo ng country. Kayo nang bahala mag-convert kung which country are you. Okay? Sige. So ulitin ko, Tokyo 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. London, this is very important. 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning. Ito sa baba guys, PH time nito ha. This one is PH time. Here. Ito, PH time ito. New York, which is represents USD, which is most of the trade is USD. So we will be trading 8. Depende kung may daylight or tawag doon. Kasi sa US kasi may time na mag-increase ng 1 hour, decrease ng 1 hour. Daylight saving, how do you call that one in the US? Daylight saving. Something like that. So, yeah, yung time zone. So, 8 p.m. So, ano ba yung magandang mag-trade? Okay, ito na. Magandang mag-trade based on experience. Magandang mag-trade based on experience. Magandang mag-trade based on experience is, for me 9 a.m. PH time to 10. 9 to 10 a.m. PH time lahat to guys. 4 p.m. to 5 kasi ito yung mga market opening. PM to 5 nasa London session at saka 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time to lahat. Ito yung magandang mag-trade. Lalo na kung scalping ka, ito yung mga moments na gumagalaw yung market. Okay, gumagalaw. By the way, mamaya ko lang na questions. Copy. Okay. Feel free to put your questions. Okay, daylight savings. Yeah, thank you. Ulit, dapat mabilis sana makuha. 9 to 10 a.m. PH time, 4 to 5 p.m. PH time, 9 to 10 p.m. PH time. Yun yung magandang time para mag-trade. Now, in our community, mayroon tayo just like sa isang chart mastery. Okay. So, ito yung mga results ng community natin. So, 2 types of trading. Meron tayong tinatawag na manual trade. Meron tayong tinatawag na AI trade. Tayo, meron tayong AI trade para dun sa mga gusto. Okay? So, ito yung mga results ng AI trade natin. And then, meron din tayong mga training sa VIP, Mastering Psychology. Ito naman is very important. 80% of success is psychology. Okay? Mayroon din tayo. This one is separate na ito. Bonus na ito kapag nag-enroll kayo. Bonus chart mastery, technical analysis. This kind of training, kung gusto mo itong aralin 3 days ito straight, 30,000 pesos ang bayad. Pero sa atin, kapag nag-enroll kayo, kasama na ito, then you can watch anytime. Okay? So, yun yung tawag natin na chart mastery. Okay? So, question. Guys, question. Question po, question. Okay. So, sige, question muna tayo, questions. Q&A muna tayo, guys, Q&A. Let's take a short break and then let's do Q&A. Ulit yung time. Yung time ulit or ulit yung time is 4 p.m. I mean, sulat ko na lang. Guys, can someone write it down, please? 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. 4 to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And then 9 to 10 p.m. PH time. Okay. Copy? Copy? Copy. Copy. Nakuha? Nakuha? Okay. So, questions muna tayo. Questions. So many questions. Oh, the answer up to you. Question, guys. Magkano na po ngayon, sir? Anong magkano? Yung, okay. Pag nag-i-enroll kayo, okay, yung mga nag-i-enroll, yung mga seryoso talaga sa forex trading, mayroon tayong tinatawag na cheat codes. Okay, cheat codes. Okay, wait. Let me just pull up some screens over here. Yeah, here. Cheat codes ng forex trading. So, ano itong cheat codes ng forex trading? This is a hack. Kasi, kung mag-ask kayo ng questions, madali ba aralin itong forex trading? Ang sagot ko, hindi. Hindi siya madali. It will take time, and then it will take a lot of kailangan aralin talaga para makuha mo itong forex trading. So ito yung cheat codes natin sa forex trading. I-share ko lang. Wait. For those who are asking. Okay, percent. Balik ako sa questions. How to start? Okay. Guys, wag muna, relax lang kasi 2 days naman tayo. So if you're really serious in forex trading, pwede kang mag-avail sa cheat codes natin kasi ang cheat codes is like parang hack. So sa community natin, meron kang magagamit na AI tools, meron kang VIP signals na mga apps, and then meron kang access sa live trading, yung sinasabi ko na scalper, digit 30 every night, and then meron kang access sa basic training advance. So yan, kailangan mong mag-enroll kasi mahal naman talaga yung pag-enroll sa forex trading, yung formal talaga na pag-aaral. 70 to 100, yung iba nga 400, 500 kasi high paying skills kasi ito. Ano yung high paying skills? Pag makukuha mo ito, malaki yung kikitain mo. Okay, makukuha mo to. So ano yung enrollment? Magkano? 999. Kasama na dyan yung AI Tray. 1 year ito na subscription. Subscription based kasi tayo, guys. So 1 year subscription base. 999 for 1 year. And then 1 year ka mag-aral, which is for me, it's still better than 3 days lang. Okay. So kung namamahalan ka, meron tayong options. Sa ibang company nga, 1,415 USD to 1,499. 1,799 sa ibang company. Sa atin, meron tayong 199. 199, around 10,000 plus a little bit. Okay, 11,000. Pwede ka mag-start. 1 month yan na pag-aaral mo. Kung gusto mo magpaturo, one-on-one trainings po, group trainings. Group trainings, pero mayroon din kapag ka nag-enroll kayo, mayroon din tayong one-on-one. Magdagdag ka lang ng konti. Only 5,000 pesos. May coach na magtuturo sa'yo one-on-one kung gusto mo talaga. Pero tatanggapin namin yung one-on-one kapag ka nag-enroll ka na. How to start? Other way of payment, pwede credit card, ganyan. Pwede credit card. So, GCash, because itong provider natin is US-based, alam naman natin, sa US, hindi honored yung GCash. But ang gagawin natin dito is that, yung yung GCash mo, gagawin natin dyan is isi-send natin sa GoTime or PMaya. Kasi si GoTime or si PMaya, meron siyang virtual card na pwede mo magamit in replacement to credit card. Okay. Walang tabi. Si tabi ba is Visa or MasterCard? If it's Visa or MasterCard, I think we're good to go. We're good to go with that. Pwede po ba mag-enroll sa 179? Wala nang 179 ngayon. Ano na, nasa I think 185 or 199 kung nasa labas ka sa Pilipinas. Tabi Visa, so pwede yan. Try natin yan, bro. I think pwede kasi Visa. Installment ba yan? Isang bayad lang. Ito, installment na ito, 199, tapos mag-monthly ka. Pero kung gusto mong one time for 1 year, 999. Okay. So, I think 185 na. So, ito, hindi pa natin na-update. You can GCash, uulitin ko ba? Since US-based yung provider ng company natin, so, benefit namin dito, Manama Bahrain. Okay. So, ano yung makukuha mo dyan sa cheat codes? Actually, bukas ko pa kasi dapat ito yung mga sa community na kumikita na mga OFW. Ito, dalawang, in just 2 weeks, anong pwede website gamitin? I-click yung regulated yung Forex. Magbibigay kami doon sa ng link sa inyo. Pero, para hindi kayo maguguluhan, I'll only promote, guys, bias ako sa VT Markets. Search mo lang VT Markets. Pero guys, ito yung assignment. Assignment. Magkano minimum deposit? Minimum deposit actually technically is 50 USD. But I recommend to start 100 USD, around 5,000 pesos. And by the way, when you enroll, huwag muna kayong mag-capital kaagad mag-deposit. Bakit? Sige nga. When you enroll or when you trade, huwag muna kayong mag-capital kaagad. Bakit? Sige nga, sagutin nyo nga. Bakit? Bakit? Baka maging abo. Di alam paano. Okay? Masusunog, walang signal, practice first. Tama yon. So, ang gagawin nyo, mag-enroll muna kayo para matuto kayo. Guys, hindi ito para sa lahat. This is only for those serious talaga. Okay? Okay. So, practice muna kayo sa demo account. Yun yung maganda kapag nag-enroll kayo, mayroon kaming step-by-step guide. Then, meron kaming group coaching every week. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Okay? So, yan. Meron tayong strategies na ibibigay namin sa iyo. Parang spoon feed na lang. Tapos, i-master mo na lang yung timing. XAU sniper natin. And then, maraming results. Okay, maraming results. So, guys, assignment. Ito yung assignment nyo. For us to continue tomorrow, ang gagawin nyo, wag mo na bro, wag mo na. Paki-delete na lang. Kasi I don't recommend to give credit na rin sa mga coaches natin. Magbibigay kami, i-message nyo yung mga taong nagbigay ng link. Okay? Yung taong nagbigay ng link sa inyo, i-message nyo. Bibigyan ka namin ng link ng broker natin at saka step-by-step video tutorials how to create account para hindi kayo mahirapan. Ano yung advantage ng VT Markets compared sa iba? Number 1, withdrawals, instant withdrawals, no issue. Number 2, yung website nila is very user-friendly. Hindi ka maguguluhan paano gamitin. And number 3, tama si Christopher, yung spread nila guys, grabe, amazing. Paliit lang yung spread. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung kita mo percentage compared sa paano magre-reply yung tao paano kung nagre-reply ang tao matagal? Anong ibig sabihin no? Tao na matagal? Assignment. Okay, assignment. Assignment. So, I'm looking for a free space here to give you assignment. Assignment is that look for someone. Okay, ito assignment. Assignment. I-message mo yung person na nag-add sa'yo sa GC. Assignment ha? Assignment. 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 I-message mo sila para bibigyan namin kayo ng step link at saka step-by-step guide on how to create account. Free lang po ito, free. This is free. How to create account or how to create demo account. Kasi bukas, 'di ba tama 'yan, bukas magde-demo na tayo. Papakita namin sa inyo step by step anong pipindutin, paano mag-trade. Ipapakita namin sa inyo. So kailangan assignment before bukas 9 PM PH time, meron na kayong account na kapag-create na kayo para makasabay kayo sa demonstration. Kasi yung goal natin dito bukas, after this one bukas, marunong ka ng at least marunong ka na mag-execute ng trade or pamindot. For the strategies, hindi pa. So if you want to continue with the strategies or talagang seryosoin aralin, you can enroll with us. Copy. Question. Question. Matagal. Baka baka ako yung sponsor mo. Siyempre, hindi pa ako mag-reply. Nandito pa ako. But definitely, magre-reply naman ako after this one. So I think yan muna para hindi natin ma-overload yung information. Marami ba kayong natutunan guys? Learning ba? Learning? Marami ba kayong natutunan tonight? Guys, can you do me a favor? Kung na-appreciate niyo itong ginagawa namin na nagbibigay kami ng libreng training sa inyo, kung saan GC kayo nabilong, Kabayan Traders 9, Kabayan Traders 10, Kabayan Traders 7, pwede bang mahimingi ng favor? na maglagay kayo doon ng parang appreciation lang, something, just gratitude lang, na at least naka-learn kayo ng forex trading for free. Can you do that? But first, before we close, can we have a picture taking, please? Is it okay if you open your camera and I'll ask Coach MJ, Coach Marge to help us with the picture taking?
Oh.
Sige nga, can you open your camera?
Yes na lang po.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Teka lang ha. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Wow.
Okay, saglit
Another?
na po guys. Okay, teka lang po ha.
Wow, papogi pala.
3, 2, 1. Okay, teka lang po guys ha.
Yung iba, naka-bold pa oh.
2, 1, smile.
Biro
Ayun.
lang.
2. Page 2 tayo guys.
Pagkakaroon tayo ng iskandal dito guys. Ba't hindi kayo nagtamit?
Okay, page 3. 3, 2,
Page
1. Page 4. 3, 2, 1, smile. Page 5. 3, 2, 1, smile. Page 6. Grabe,
Thank you, Coach Marge, guys.
Grabe.
Ulitin ko tayo, Coach Marge. Guys, ulitin ko. Wait. Guys, ulitin ko. Is it okay if you're learning na appreciate, yung na-appreciate lang? Kasi kailangan naman talaga marunong ang tao, marunong mag-appreciate. Yung maka-appreciate lang, guys, pwedeng maglagay kayo ng just positive review or words of gratitude doon sa GC na where doon kayo na belong. Para naman at least na-inspire yung iba na mag-attend sa mga sessions natin. Okay lang po ba? Hindi dito, doon sa mga GCs natin. Okay. So guys, I will take you back to Coach Marge. Coach Marge, or i-close ko na lang? Siguro i-close ko na lang para makapag-trade na tayo. Thank you so much, Coach Marge, Coach MJ, Coach Jim, at lahat ng mga nandito. Sa mga taong siniseryoso to talaga, guys. I'll promise you talaga na may enjoy nyo itong journey na ito kasi habang nag-aaral tayo, pwede tayong kumita. Okay? So, God bless everyone. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay? So, see you tomorrow sa day 2. Huwag kayo mag-absent tomorrow kasi tomorrow na yung step-by-step execution. Step-by-step execution kung paano i-trade. God bless everyone.